Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video I will proceed to the STPM Biology Semester 3 Chapter 14 for Kingdom Fungi. This is the second kingdom lah. Second part of kingdom. So it is Kingdom Fungi. So Kingdom Fungi, this one is the content of the chapter. Okay, so you have to know what are the characteristics of fungi. Fungi, I think normally you already are familiar with it because if you see fungi, one of the example is yeast and mushroom. Mushroom and yeast are under fungi, right? So fungi actually are multicellular eukaryote. It is multicellular. Berbeza dengan it is different from the protista. Protista normally almost all are unicellular, but fungi already is multicellular. Multicellular, but except for yeast. Except for yeast. Yeast is unicellular. Except only yeast sahaja. Yeast sahaja. Yang lain semua multicellular. Okay. And then fungi are non-photosynthetic due to lack of chlorophyll. Mereka bukan photosynthetic punya. Mereka tak ada chloroplast punya. Due to lack of chlorophyll. Mereka do not have too much of chlorophyll, so they cannot produce. They are not photosynthetic. They cannot undergo photosynthesis. So since they are not photosynthetic, so they are heterotrophic. Heterotrophic. So whereby either parasite, sporotroph or motoliths. So they are heterotrophic. They have to get the organic nutrient from the outside sources. Dia macam human lah. Macam human lah. Mereka bukan autotroph punya. Okay, the next one is fungi do not ingest food, but they infiltrate food sources and secrete digestive enzyme into it. Mereka bukan ingest food. Mereka bukan makan punya. Kalau macam saya makan macam human makan kan, mereka bukan. Mereka infiltrate food. Macam filter punya. Mereka macam buat filtration punya. Okay. Then injection take place outside the body. Ini yang paling special lah. Injection is take place outside the body. And then when complex molecules are broken down, the fungi will absorb them into its body. So dia berbeza dengan human punya. Human kalau kami makan baru injection baru dekat stomach, right? Kalau human akan buat injection dekat stomach and also our small intestine. But in fungi, the injection is occur at outside of the body. Macam occur at the outside of the body. After the injection complete, then they absorb them into the body. Kalau macam starch molecule, they will be ingested, will be hydrolyzed at the outside of the body first, and then they break into the glucose molecule. Then the fungi will absorb this glucose molecule into the body. Ini special for fungi lah. And then the fungi will rapidly convert nutrient into new cells material. And then the fungi will store an excessive amount of nutrient in form of glycogen. Ini pun berbeza dengan human because they can store excessive amount of nutrient. Human cannot. Human, if human want to store glycogen, it only have liver only. Only liver is the place that human can store glycogen and cannot be excessive amount. It has the limited. If already full, then full lah. Cannot lah. But the fungi can store excessive amount of nutrient in form of glycogen. Okay, so but not only that, also have another things is the bodies of fungi. Ini badan fungi dia. Badan fungi totally different from animal and plant. Okay, the bodies of fungi consist of long, branch, thread-like filament known as hypha. Macam ni lah. Macam ni. Macam panjang-panjang sikit, and then it's branch. And then thread-like filament, dia macam needle punya. Actually it's very like needle punya. And so it is called as hypha. You have to know hypha. Okay, so hypha consists of tubular cell wall surrounding a plasma membrane and cytoplasm of the cell. So it has cell wall. Dia ada cell wall ni, macam plant. Macam plant, ada cell wall. And the cell wall consists of strong and flexible polysaccharide known as chitin. The component to make the cell wall of fungi is chitin, not cellulose. If you go to protista and plant cell, the cell wall is made from cellulose, right? But for fungi, it is made from chitin. You have to alert. It is made from chitin, not cellulose. And then the cell wall is prevent the cell wall function is same as the cell wall for plant cell. It prevent the cell of fungi from bursting. Ini sama dengan plant cell lah. Tapi component dia totally different. Component dia ialah chitin. Chitin actually is one of the polysaccharide. Polysaccharide but has different from the cellulose lah. One of the polysaccharide. But it is not cellulose. You have to alert for this. And then there are two types of hypha, septa hypha and corneocytic hypha. Okay, so septa hypha, if you see this, if you see the diagram, actually you already see the differences. One of the septa hypha got septum. Septum is singular form, septa is plural form. Septum ada ini macam wing shape punya, awak tengok ini macam ada wing shape punya. Inilah, and also contempo yang ada satu lubang dekat middle part. Ini called pore. So the septa hypha are divided by the cross wall called septa. That means that it is divided ada satu bahagian punya. Awak tengok ini satu bahagian, ini satu bahagian, ini satu bahagian. So divided by the septa into the individual cells containing one nucleus. So each septa has one nucleus. Awak tengok, ini septa satu nucleus, ini satu region satu nucleus, ini satu region satu nucleus. Semua macam ni, hanya satu nucleus. And then the septa have pore that may be large enough to permit organelles to flow from cell to cell. So there are the pore between inside the septum. Ini middle part lah, ada satu lubang punya. Also this lubang is the enough make the organelles can move from cell to the cell. So it is not mean that for only satu bahagian ini ada semua organelles in the fungi. Actually the organelles can move. Maybe it can move at here, move at here. Dia akan bergerak ke mana-mana lah kerana ada pore. Okay, ini septa hypha. Another one is called corneocytic hypha. Corneocytic hypha is the hypha that do not have septa. Yang ni satu differences ada. Dia tak ada septa punya. So in this species, nuclear division is not followed by cytoplasmic division. As a result, a corneocytic fungus is elongated, multinucleated, nucleated, and giant cell. Means that the nuclear division is the to synthesis nucleus. Is not followed by cytoplasmic division. If for like this, it is followed by cytoplasmic division. Means that the nuclear division only for this column only one nucleus only. Hanya satu nucleus saja. Dia akan follow the cytoplasmic division kerana ini satu ini satu part adalah satu boleh cakap satu cell lah. So it follows cytoplasmic division. So in this region only satu nucleus. But for this, because no septa, so nuclear division is not followed by cytoplasmic division. So the nucleus will synthesis anywhere. Sure akan synthesis at there, at anywhere. So if you see the nucleus is actually is anywhere. Dia tak ada. Ya ada macam ni, ada arrangement punya, dia akan anywhere. So corneocytic fungus is elongate and multinucleated giant cell. Is more bigger cell compared to septa hypha. They are more bigger than the septa hypha. Okay, so that's it for characteristic of fungi. Yang paling penting ini lah. Yang paling penting you have to know. Yang paling penting it is multicellular eukaryote and it is non-photosynthetic and heterotrophic, and then the can store excessive amount of nutrient in glycogen, and then it is do not ingest food but they infiltrate food sources. Infiltrate food sources means that dia macam human, mereka makan. Kalau human makan makanan, mereka akan ingest the nutrient inside the body, right? Stomach and small intestine. But the fungi not. Fungi ingest the food outside the body and then they absorb the food nutrient, into the body. Yang ni spatial. And then for the fungi, the body called as hypha. And then the hypha is the tubule, contains cell wall, and then it is strong and flexible. The component made of cell wall is chitin, and then the function is same as plant cell. It is prevent from bursting. Okay, then there are two types of hepta, septa hepta and coronocytic hepta. Septa hepta is called, it contains septa, means that it contains some wing shaft at there, and then each wing shaft only contains one nucleus. And also inside the wing shaft, it contains satu pore. This pore is function to permit the organelle to flow from cell to cell. And coronocytic hypha is the hypha, the body cell that do not have septum. So the nucleus division is not followed by cytoplasmic division, so the nucleus is at anywhere. So the size of the coronocytic hypha is bigger than the septal hypha. Okay, so that's all for characteristic of fungi. Okay, for fungi, there are three major phylum. So the phylum Zygomycota, phylum Ascomycota, and xylem Basidiomycota. But in syllabus, we only learn Zygomycota only. Okay. So for phylum Zygomycota, one of the example species is Mucor. Maybe Mucor you don't know, but if you know, you break roti. Roti, kalau roti awak expire, awak bukan expire apa pun, awak letak dalam, awak letak di luar, beberapa hari akan ada hitam-hitam kan. Itulah Mucor. Hitam-hitam kan, akan ada hitam black, will have the black spot on the surface of roti. Actually it is the Mucor. Actually it is the Mucor species. Itu roti dia lah. And so Mucor ni dia look like macam ni lah kalau ada mikroskop punya. Dia black color punya. Awak tengok hypha dia semua. Awak tengok body shape dia macam hypha kan. Body shape nya dia macam needle thread like structure, and it is branch structure, right? So normally it is found in the damp soil or dung of herbivore of animal. And the hypha of Mucor is coinocytic. So it does not have septa. Awak tengok dia smooth saja, dia tak ada macam ada satu wing at the end. So it is coinocytic. And then the mycelium has 5 network of hypha. Okay, the nuclei are distributed throughout the cytoplasm, which is a continuous mass. So nucleus at anywhere lah, sometimes lah, mana pun ada nucleus punya. So the organelles are able to move freely between the hypha because no septa halak, no obstacle of septa, so organelles can move freely. Dia boleh bergerak ke mana-mana tempat lah. Okay, so the organelles will be actively concentrated in growing region. Mucor consists of rhizoid that penetrate substrate for feeding. Dia ada satu rhizoid. Rhizoid yang ni tak ada rhizoid ya. Kalau ada rhizoid dia akan ada macam jut punya structure. Dia akan macam ni, akan ada macam ni punya. Macam root lah, plant punya root, tapi itu bukan root, called rhizoid. Macam okay. Next, we'll proceed to it is fast growing moths that cause the food. Inilah Inilah example lah. So it is very fast growing and cause the fruit, especially bread and strawberry to drop. Itu memusnahkan roti lah. Itu yang saya cakap, roti ada black spot. If you place the roti at the outdoor space, beberapa hari awak tengok akan ada black spot lah. Inilah Milko species. And Milko is reproduced sexually. Actually, it is sexually. Kalau awak ada tengok spore ni, sporangium and sporangium ni, actually it is sexual. So sporangia is the spore that found at the tips of the hypa called sporangium pores. Ini sporangia is the spore lah. Ini yang determine the sex of Milko species lah. Okay, so this kingdom fungi actually is very easy because not like Protista, you only learn one phylum and also only one species. Okay, so this video is finished. So hopefully you can scan this QR code to fill up the feedback form and you can give it any comment. Okay, thank you.